Most living things come and go in the blink of an eye. But some plants, they've been around for hundreds of millions of years. Before humans, before dinosaurs, before mountains even looked the way they do today, these green survivors were already thriving. Today, we're counting down the 5 oldest living plant species on Earth. Let's dive in. At number 5, meet the Ginkgo Biloba. Often called a living fossil, this unique tree has been around for over 270 million years. That's right, it predates the dinosaurs. Its fan-shaped leaves are instantly recognizable, and scientists believe it has remained virtually unchanged since the Permian period. Despite going extinct in the wild, it was preserved by Buddhist monks in China, who planted it around temples for centuries. Today, ginkgos line city streets around the world, not just for their history, but because they're incredibly resistant to pollution, disease, and even nuclear radiation. Yes, some ginkgos survived Hiroshima. Coming in at number 4, horsetails. These reed-like plants have been around for over 300 million years. Imagine dense, swampy forests during the Carboniferous period. These guys were everywhere, towering up to 30 feet tall. Although today's horsetails are much smaller, their basic structure hasn't changed. Their jointed, hollow stems help move water efficiently, perfect for life in wet environments. Some species are even used in herbal medicine due to their high silica content. Number 3 is a plant often mistaken for a palm tree. But don't be fooled. Cycads have existed for over 280 million years, and they once ruled the prehistoric world. These slow-growing plants, with stiff, spiky leaves, were a favorite meal of herbivorous dinosaurs. Today, cycads are endangered in the wild due to habitat loss and poaching, but some are protected in botanical gardens worldwide. They grow incredibly slowly. Some take decades to reach maturity, but their resilience is unmatched. If a plant could tell war stories, it would be a cycad. Our runner-up is one of the most widespread plant groups in the world, mosses. They emerged over 450 million years ago and were among the first plants to make the leap from water to land. Mosses don't have roots or flowers, and they reproduce using spores. They might seem tiny and unassuming, but they were critical in shaping Earth's early ecosystems, breaking down rock into soil and holding moisture in barren environments. Some mosses can survive freezing, drying out, and even space-like conditions. That's not just old, it's hardcore. And at number 1, Cooksonia. You won't see this ancient plant today because it's extinct, but it was the blueprint for nearly all land plants that followed. Cooksonia lived around 425 million years ago and was the first known vascular plant, meaning it had internal plumbing to transport water and nutrients. That one simple innovation helped plants colonize land in a big way. It looked like a tiny stick with a few branches, only a few centimeters tall. But it's the great-great-grandparent of everything from redwoods to roses. Talk about a legacy. From the prehistoric swamps of horsetails to the city streets graced by ginkgos, these ancient survivors remind us that life finds a way. Their endurance is a living timeline stretching across Earth's history. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into the planet's strangest and most fascinating facts.